This is the new DS7. The new DS7 seconds character comes from significant changes front and rear. Still elegant, new DS7 introduces more dynamism with sharper, more structural lines. The completely new front stands out with sharper lines developing the balance of each feature. Specific work was carried out thanks to the close links between the DS Design Studio Paris team and our production team at the Mulhouse, France factory, achieving exceptional results in terms of quality and solidity. Double Formula E Champion E10's technology makes up most of the new DS7 range, with versions having 225 horsepower and two-wheel drive, 300 horsepower four-wheel drive and 360 horsepower four-wheel drive. In its 360 horsepower guise, the Grand Touring Spirit is supported by special developments carried out by DS Performance. The chassis has been lowered by 15 millimeters. The track is wider, plus 24 millimeters at the front, plus 10 millimeters at the back, and the front brakes go to 380 millimeters in diameter with DS Performance badged four-piston calipers. New DS7 E10's 4x4 360 stands apart through its class-leading performance with a 200 horsepower petrol engine and electric motors on the front and rear axles, with 110 and 130 horsepower four-wheel drive with weight kept at 885 kilograms for a benchmark power-to-weight ratio in the plug-in hybrid segment. Coupled with a 14.2 kWh battery, the electric motors enable zero-emissions driving and acceleration, or four-wheel drive, for up to 62 km WLTP AER City and 57 km WLTP AER, combined with the capability of driving in 100% electric mode at up to 140 km per hour. New DS7 E10's 4x4 360 is homologated for just 40 grams per kilometer of CO2 and fuel consumption of 1.8 liter divided by 100 kilometers. Fitted with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S 245/35R21 tires, new DS7 E10's 4x4 360 goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.6 seconds with a 1,000 meters start-stop covered in 25.4 seconds. New DS7 E10's 4x4 300 200 horsepower petrol engine with electric motors on the front and rear axles producing 110 and 113 horsepower can drive in 100% electric mode at up to 135 kilometers per hour. The electric-only range is homologated at up to 81 kilometers WLTP AER City and 63 kilometers WLTP AER combined for only 27 grams per kilometer of CO2 emissions and fuel consumption homologated at 1.2 liter divided by 100 kilometers. The 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is covered in 5.9 seconds and the 1,000 meter start-stop is carried out in 25.9 seconds. For new DS7 E10's 225/180 horsepower petrol engine and a 110 horsepower electric motor on the front axle, the electric range is homologated at up to 80 kilometers WLTP AER City and 65 kilometers WLTP AER combined for only 28 grams per kilometer of CO2 emissions and fuel consumption homologated at 1.2 liter divided by 100 kilometers. All hybrid systems are linked to a new 14.2 kWh battery whose charging time is about 2 hours on a 7.4 kW charger. New DS7 is still offered with a BlueHDi 130 diesel engine mated with an 8-speed automatic gearbox, featuring a variable geometry turbo and high-pressure direct injection. It has all the latest technology for consumption homologated at 5.5 liters divided by 100 kilometers and CO2 emissions of 143 grams per kilometer. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.